You've heard it before. Hummingbirds can fly backward. Cool, right? But here's what nobody tells you. Their wings don't flap up and down like every other bird on Earth. They rotate in a full figure 8 like a helicopter blade, 80 times per second. That's so fast, human eyes literally cannot track it. To fuel that, their heart beats over 1,200 times per minute. Yours, about 70. And at night, they don't sleep. They enter a state called torpor. Their body temperature drops so low, they're basically in a mini coma just to survive till morning. This tiny bird the size of your thumb is running harder than any machine we've ever built, and it does it every single day. Subscribe to 60 Sec Facts for more interesting videos.